Ever wish your vacuum could do all the cleaning without you having to lift a finger? The Eufy E28 Omni Robovac is the cleaning upgrade you've been waiting for. It's got serious power. 20,000 PA turbo suction. This machine doesn't mess around. Pet hair gone. Dust, history, crumbs, none left. And if you've ever dealt with tangled vacuum brushes before, the Duo Spiral detangle brushes are a game changer. They're designed to stop hair wraps so you spend less time fighting your vacuum and more time relaxing. And the mop? It cleans itself while it works, thanks to the HydroJet self-washing system. It uses dual water tanks and scrapers to keep the mop fresh throughout the clean so your floors stay fresh from start to finish. Now, here's the standout feature. The Flexi One portable deep cleaner is an industry first. It detaches from the base and you just pop it out and boom! Stairs, couches, car seats, all sorted. And for those hard to reach spots, the corner rover arm extends out to clean right into the edges and corners. No more missed patches. Plus, the all-in-one station handles everything. It empties itself, washes the mop, dries it with hot air, dispenses detergent, refills water, and collects wastewater. You barely have to touch it. If you're ready to make cleaning truly effortless, grab the Eufy Omni E28, available now at JB Hi-Fi.